Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes veg. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat and whisk batter until smooth and slightly thick. Spoon 1/4 cup portions into the pan and cook until edges set and bubbles form, about 2 minutes per side. Keep cooked pancakes warm on a plate in a low oven while you finish the batch. Use simple swaps to change flavor and texture without extra fuss. Mix mashed banana, applesauce, or 1/4 cup pumpkin puree into the batter for moisture and taste. Add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder for chocolate or a pinch of cinnamon and orange zest for warmth. Fold in 1/4 cup chopped nuts or berries at the end for texture. Control heat and timing to make consistent pancakes every time. Warm your pan, then reduce to medium before pouring batter so the first pancake isn't burnt. Use 1/4 cup batter scoops for similar sizes and watch for bubbles that burst near the edge as your cue to flip. If pancakes brown too fast, lower the heat and cover briefly to finish cooking through without drying them out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.